Sivma is proud to present a new and innovative mobile system for the oil and gas market. LESS, the Lean Environmental Service System. A unit that allows to have less pollution and less risk, with less costs and in less time. This unit can be used to support and assist well service operations such as electric line, slick line, coiled tubing, cleanup, solvent pumping. LESS prevents any fluid or gas spills during these operations, eliminating all risks to people and to the environment. LESS stores all the fluids into its tanks and offers the possibility to re-inject them into the well at the end of the job, avoiding the hassle of disposal. Our goals are: eliminate oil spills and gas contamination when rigging down the lubricator or during bleed-off, thus enhancing safety to the people involved while saving time. Prevent any spills when recovering electric line, slick line, or coiled tubing bottom hole assemblies. Recover, store, and re-inject all fluids produced during operations, enhancing environmental protection and saving costs and time, preventing transportation and waste treatment. LESS consists of the following equipment: nitrogen storage station, gas separator, portable H2S dry scrubbing unit and flare, recovery and fluid storage tanks, pumping station, hydraulic power pack, manifold, optional firefighting equipment, optional hydraulic crane. With our system, all of these components are on one truck. During electric line, slick line, or coiled tubing operations, some well fluid, oil, water, and gas will come up from the well and get into the lubricator. When the pressure inside the lubricator is bled off, gas is released into the environment and fluid spills into the cellar. When the connection of the lubricator is open, removing the bottom hole assembly may result in additional spilled liquid. Then, all the liquid spilled has to be removed. With LESS, none of this will happen. Recovery phase. Our equipment is connected to the upper and lower part of the lubricator. The connections are made before the start of the operations. Both connections have actuated valves, so we can open and close the passage of fluid and gas through them at any time from a control panel. At the end of the well operations, the bottom hole assembly is recovered inside the lubricator. At this point, the swab valve is closed. The valve at the bottom of the lubricator is then opened, and pressure can be bled off by flowing into our unit, where liquid and gas will be separated. The liquid is stored in the tank, and the gas will be sent via the scrubber to the small flare. When bleed-off is completed, the top valve is also opened and nitrogen is pumped into the lubricator, thus pushing all remaining fluid and gas into our unit and cleaning the bottom hole assembly with inert gas. At this point, the lubricator can be disconnected and the tools can be removed completely dry. The lubricator can be removed from the wellhead with no spills. Re-injection phase. When the fluid recovery phase is completed, we then proceed with the re-injection step. The idea of re-injecting previously recuperated fluids into the well offers the opportunity to avoid the transportation and disposal of the fluid itself. The oil or wastewater contained in the storage tanks is injected back into the well using high-pressure pumps. The system is also able to pump glycol or solvents into the well, employing nitrogen to neutralize the toxic fumes or potentially explosive atmospheres. The pumps are driven hydraulically by a power pack hydraulic unit connected to a diesel engine. The pump section includes two pumps, low and high volume pumps. The fluids are re-injected into the wellhead, normally into the wing valve opposite to the production line. All these steps will be accompanied by the presence of the following components: telescopic light tower that will ensure optimal lighting. Be powered by a 10 kilowatt power generator driven by the diesel engine power pack system. Drainage pump. Hydraulic pump of small dimensions, useful to empty the wellhead cellar from accumulations of water. Sivma offers you more with less.